So Dogwood Fat is absolutely crushing it again within the charts, and we have talked about this coin in the past on this channel, and we're just gonna take another review at its new numbers that it has created in the recent past, and we're just gonna go over what it has been seeing, what new updates we have in Floki. So we're gonna be talking about Floki in this video, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So we are already on the screen, and if we just look at our list of most moved cryptocurrency, the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the past 7 days, actually, we can see Floki is up there. There is a lot going on with Floki right now, still absolutely crushing it. 11.9% in just the past hour. Absolutely crazy numbers, up around 24.3% in the past 24 hours, and in the past 7 days it has been up around $190, almost $190 in the past 7 days. So absolutely crushing it. So let's just talk about Floki, get deeper into it, and let's just click on it to get a full overview of Floki. So let it just load. And so if we talk about the current price of Floki, we can see it is currently at around 301588, up around 20, almost around 24% in the past 24 hours actually, and absolutely seeing a crazy growth. It is increasing like crazy. Market cap at around $1.5 billion, which is also up almost around 24% in the past 24 hours. So absolutely crazy it is seeing. The volume is down. It is at around $479 million, which is down about 27% from yesterday's. So still doing good, but just down from yesterday. And if we just look at the 481 million at around number 42 in the most volume in the past 24 hours, Floki has been absolutely crushing it. Even we did talk about this before on this channel, that Floki has been going insane throughout the whole past month. It has been seeing crazy. So if we just talk about what's happening with Floki right now, and we are just seeing more and more growth as we keep seeing. If we talk about the 24-hour chart now, we started at around 301282. So basically what's happening right now, and in the first couple hours we did see a little bit of the red in the first couple hours, but then we made our way back into the green in just the early morning at around 3 a.m. So basically happening in throughout the whole day we were in the green, and now it has seen a spike in just the past couple hours. So absolutely seeing crazy growth, just increasing almost around 200 if we talk about the last value. So basically increase about 200 in just the past hour. Crazy things happening. And if we now head to the 7 days, as you can see, absolutely crazy numbers, 188%. So basically 188% up in the past 7 days. Absolutely mind-blowing numbers. As you can see, in the middle of the week it was even higher at this rate, so it was seeing more and more growth. It's still moving sideways. So if we look at where we started off the week at, we started off at 4 zeros at around 54.93, and if we take a look at the weekly graph, we can see as it goes up, and it went up, it kept having more and more growth throughout the whole week, throughout the middle of the week, and then we did start to settle down a bit. We had a little bit of this downtrend, and we had another downtrend right here, but we are continuing on our upwards trend as we are going throughout the week. And if we talk about our past month in Floki, we have seen an absolutely crazy 451% in the past hour. So absolutely crazy. In the past month, actually, we started off at 2799. So in the starting of the month, we just saw some pretty flat movement. Wasn't any great uptrend or any downtrend, but it was going sideways. But this might look like low action because we are looking at such a big graph of around 500% plus. So basically moving up in throughout the whole month, we have been in the green, and we started to pick up pace at around the 26th. This is where we started to grow, and this is where we started to pick up pace, absolutely crushing it in the charts. So that's why basically we are seeing crazy growth in Floki right now. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we just gave you another update on what's happening with Floki recently. It is absolutely crushing the charts recently. We are seeing huge growth in Floki, so we just gave you another update. If you are new to this channel, I do daily live streams on this channel talking about any recent crypto news, any recent changes that we have seen in the crypto market. So we did go over that in this in this video, and we do also do that in the live stream. So do make sure to tune in to the live stream daily. And I also create long form content like this, keeping you guys updated about any recent cryptocurrency coming and any recent cryptocurrencies that has been booming recently. So I do talk about that in long form videos like this one. So if you did enjoy this, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what other content we should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.